Hello everyone, uh, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be covering two essential Linux commands that every system administrator and developer should know: SSH and Netstat. These commands are crucial for remote server management and networking troubleshooting. We will also walk through some real-time scenarios where you can use these commands. So let's dive into it. So first up we have discussed about SSH. So SSH stands for Secure Shell. It is used to connect the remote server securely over a network. Imagine you are managing a server in the cloud or different network and you need to execute commands remotely. So that's the SSH will comes into action. So let's see an example SSH command in the terminal. See, let's say you want to log in into a remote server. So the basic command is you will use this SSH followed by an username, like user, and it followed by an IP address. Let us example 192.168. Once you enter the command, it will ask you the prompted for a password and you will be logged into a remote server. As of now there is no secondary server for in this server, so I'm not going to execute it. So another useful feature for SSH is that you can run commands remotely without actually logging in. For example, if you want to check the disk space on that particular server, you can command like df-h through SSH. The syntax would be SSH user @remote server IP address. Let us say 192.168. So this will return the disk usage detail directly in our terminal. So SSH also works alongside SCP secure copy file transfer. So you can copy a file from your local machine to the remote server with a SCP command. For example, SCP, let us assume there is a file 1.txt in your local machine. You want to transfer this file 1.txt into the remote server. So for that you need to give the destination path for where you have to save this file in the remote server. So it will securely transfer the file, this file1.txt, to the specified directory of the remote server. One of the major disadvantage of secure SCP is if let us assume if you are transferring the file more than a GB, 5 GB, if in the middle of the file has been cancelled, so at that time it will not resume the file from where it has stopped, so it will start from the again beginning. So this is the major disadvantage of SCP. So next, let's talk about Netstat, short for network statistics. This command is used to display various network connections, routing tables, and network interference statistics. It is great for troubleshooting network issues or checking if a server is running on a specific port or not. So let's understand the command. So if you want to view the open network connections, the command will be like netstat -tuln. So let's start viewing all the open network connections on your machine. If you want to check the specifically established TCP connections, you can run this command netstat-tn. This will display all the TCP connections on their states such as established. This can be very helpful when you need to verify which servers are communicating over the net. So if you want to check the particular specific port is open or not, let's say you want to check if port number 22 is which is used for SSH is open or actively listening. You can combine the netstat -tuln with grep function. Right, let's say netstat there is a TCP and TCP6 is both are listening. So another command is netstat if you want to view the network interface statistics. So if you are working with a specific interface like etho, or you can use netstat -e etho, and you can see the data like packet counts and errors. This is helpful when you want to monitor network performances. For example, network stat -1. So this will give the information about network interference statistics. So let's say you want to view the routing table in your server. For that, command will be like netstat -r. So this command will show how packets are routed on your network. So you can see use netstat-r. This command will display the current routes and the gateways that are used to reach your network. So this is the default gateway. And one more command is in netstat. If you want to see what are the ports are listening in your server, for that the command will be like netstat -pnul. So this will show what are the ports are listening into your server. So the another command was if you want to check what ports are running on which program, for that the command will be like nul tc. So it will show on which server it is running. This is a local address. It is connection in local server only server. So that's it. So wrap up things up. So SSH is essential for managing remote server and transferring files securely, while Netstat is a fantastic tool for troubleshooting network issues and monitoring connections. These are two commands you should definitely be in your toolkit as a Linux user. I hope this command will help you to understand how to use both in real-time scenarios. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and click on this notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Also let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you would like to see more Linux tips and tricks. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.